Guardian is the sixth safe in our line, engineered for superior security and proudly built here in the USA. Combining the 10-gauge door jacket with the 3/8-inch inner plate forms an impressive 5/8 door edge thickness. The body is constructed with 3 16-inch outer shell, reinforced by a 10-gauge inner liner for an overall thickness of 5/16. All 6 sides are further fortified with thick layers of Type C fireboard, ensuring your valuables are secure in even the most extreme conditions. This construction gives the Guardian an impressive fire rating of up to 1700 degrees in 2 hours. Classic graphics, corner bolts, lights, door organizer, and a 10-gauge liner are included in every Guardian, along with the best warranty in the industry. Customize your Guardian with a range of exterior colors, lock types, fabric choices, and graphics. Add crane hinge, cabinet, and pull handle to any model. Popular upgrades include the Knox AR500 package, a ballistic-grade steel barrier that will take your security to the next level. Customize your Guardian at ftnox.com today